Since the release of the LooxidVR website, we have received a lot of feedback for the user manual, the Unity SDK, and the API. We were told that the interface was complicated and that the documentation of the Unity SDK and API was misleading. So in an effort to improve the quality of customer service, ta-da! We have updated our website by organizing the content so that visitors can easily find the information they need. Let me show you our updated website. We gathered all of the frequently asked questions and made it into a user manual page. If you have any questions for our device and software, please find your questions in the user manual before contacting us. Our updates also include some bug fixes and improvements in the usability for our Unity SDK. Above all, we are so proud of announcing that we updated the document for the API reference and with the user interface easy to navigate and the API easy to use. Now that you know about our updated website, you should be set to proceed with your research using our LooxidVR. Thank you for watching our videos, and if you have any other inquiries or feedback, please send them to my email shown below. I'll make sure to answer your inquiries as soon as possible. Make your research limitless.